Okay, so once again, in Chakesi and Komo Bibiara out here on this particular platform, Penas TV. Welcome. So today we have a breaking news for all of you. So I join here. We encourage you to please share this video because this one is a very huge breaking news, especially to those Amweni Edi Ken Anas Nyantakyi case. No, this is a huge one. In fact, we'll be captured way back in 2018. Say 5 years from now, we'll be reliving Kenya Japan's words. Say Anas Sebi or corrupt. Anas hypothetically no genuine. Anas the modus operandi no the year man questionable. We'll be say 5 years now, we'll be reliving everything that Ken said that perhaps none of us will have believed, because this year has been hell for Anas. Talk about beginning of the year, he lost his court case against Kennedy Japan, and Chebia and a year Obi Eddie Anas a court case Obi Anasase, and also Anas lost the court case. Can you imagine? Emma Menoka say court ama order saying Kububu Anas and then we will be assassin bubu ni ngufe and yeah, that's sorry ya for Samba. And I remember yesterday we gave you an update. Say Kwesi Nyantakyi, who happens to be the former GFA boss, a bra number 12 expose no eba no Republic at the court, it's a Ghana buying at the court, and in there no was a year Anas Aremia Anas as one of the people and a plaintiff Somode Kwesi Nyantakyi court. Bruni Becker said the star witness of the show. Now, one thing now is shocking is for you to know to follow case ni, you know, and they say a brand Samuel Kosono, Kwesi Nyantakyi has always been advocating, say he needs a fair trial. Inti eneda a bra sorry, some few days ago, a brom could court. Na Kwesi Nyantakyi say Sanas eba be testify against or no Kwesi Nyantakyi dia. This is what should happen. Or no Anas also yin him. Also yin the name complete external, and also announce and also testify with the marks in the courts, because courts no, if you are testifying you show your face and as on scene will be the court shares and same nyana court say no, looking at the nature of Anas and in the history they are going to do this. Anas will have to reveal his face to Kwesi Nyantakyi in chambers, which is maybe a judge in the office no one answer a court in Beshasian. Anas being the Nima Kwesi Nyantakyi say Kwesi Nyantakyi mini me na mbabe testify. Na Anas na Kwesi Nyantakyi was okay. The person who is testifying against me is the real Anas. And yes, I had a bit of the Behunu Bia say, Ombijina or Obian the voice Anas Ombijina on testify against Kwesi Nyantakyi. And also they allow Anas to testify with his mask in court. So this is how it is. Anas will have to show his face in chambers to Kwesi Nyantakyi alone, but in courts no, they are in courts in there. Obeying in now some nearby we're all expecting, because this was really huge. It wasn't something most of us were expecting, but then as always, there is a new twist. Now, new twist that currently Nina is Anas Aremia Anas Ababeka Sana Anas ni same nyina odi tudwa no simple or say Ghana won farm court na or the letter tin abetuja mo hwɛ me for some reason maybe the network is jamming. Don't worry, immediately after this we'll put the whole lengthy thing there back again. For some reason the network is really messing up. No, don't worry, yeah, the whole thing a bit too. So straight away no Anas at the letters be able to just say on no courts no, and on the case with Kwesi Nyantakyi no yini way free. This is shocking. Okay, this is shocking because we never ever anticipated this thing. Now look at this. Yeah, we have to screens no. So this is a letter, a press release announced or the court in the social media handle. You read it or say 18th May, that was just yesterday. How much press release or say Nyantakyi and lawyers to see Anas face before court proceedings, Republic versus Kwesi Nyantakyi and other. Anas letter not the buy and the da in him if the company Tiger IPI and as I see on the court say I was a Kwesi Nyantakyi who name, but they have something else to tell courts. In the in Sema once one. The Tiger IPI has taken notice of the ruling by the High Court sitting in Accra to allow undercover journalist Anas to testify wearing mask in open court on condition he shows his face to the defendant in the judge's chambers first. And I say patches say omu enya letter if he court so and I say from omu lawyers say patches and nas you have to testify, okay? But testimony now be given, you can do it with your mass in court, but on one condition. Also check Kwesi Nyantakyi say mini this is my real face before you continue. 2. Anas had earlier agreed to testify as a witness for the prosecution in the above-styled case after Ahmed Hussein Swale was gruesomely murdered on condition that his identity is protected. No more patches say a bra case ne course no Anas say some person be in way from dia any say testimony obe testify against a year Kwesi Nyantakyi no obe share ne max no on fa ne nim nchiro bia because ni ku ni nua no ehun yehu. 3. Anas' request for the protection of his identity stems from his role as an undercover agent and elevated risk that revealing his identity to the defendant will severely compromise and physically security and personal safety. Anas say patch say Dientia or no timi the dimension be and say or undercover journalist and I will share Jumano dino safety ni security issues now o timi ko jan baby and country be or corrupt se hweminim na nipa na china obopa ma ebe kune. 4. It should be recalled that the late Ahmed Hussein Swale, a star witness in the case, was assassinated in broad daylight in 2019. His assassination occurred at the same day he had engagements with Attorney General Office on his testimony against the defendant in above-styled case. Or patches a T way back in 2019 BBC. They see any simple. Or no any nipa na koda back Ahmed Hussein Swale. Oni Attorney General kasa say a ye Kwesi Nyantakyi case or be testify against Kwesi Nyantakyi. Into yinim chi Attorney General. Adi ante no eni yeku no. Into ono also repeated that same mistake. 5. Prior to the gruesome murder, the late Ahmed Hussein Swale had been threatened with death by Nyantakyi and had been subject to callous media attacks for his role as a star witness in the case, culminating in revealing of his identity on national TV and social media by MP Kennedy Japan, the MP for since. And no part say, Sakrana, any nua Ahmed Hussein Swale be kuno no. Na Nyantakyi edika kaso be kuno. Because so share we never was say, Nyantakyi had been or say threatened him with death threats by Kwesi Nyantakyi, which is Kwesi Nyantakyi according to Anas or can be no so obi kum Ahmed Hussein Swale. And even with that okay in Japan the picture got 2 TVs so be unsure kwani. 6. As much as Anas is willing and ready to testify for the prosecution, doing so under the condition specified by the court presents a clear and present danger to his security and safety, especially because of the issues chronicled above. And I say patches a court, we say ono on kasa against Kwesi Nyantakyi in court. It is simple, okay? Munisa cross na modi atono so say ono Anas no if he has to testify then it has to be also in the name Kwesi Nyantakyi. According to Kwesi Nyantakyi no and maybe a tree mono okaso be kuni hu nipa bi okuno wenkuno forgive me but okaso be kuni nipa no anchebe nipa ni wuye ema MP bi ko TV so ko yi onu nipa no enim to TV so onu nie mu na monche no nye den so boy say sane mani nyina no ema ni nipa ni wuye nti ene onko relieve history na he is not a fool, he's not going to do that. Listen to this. 7. Under the circumstance and prudence requires that he declines the invitation to endanger his life and accordingly declines the invitation to reveal his identity to the defendant in the judge's chamber or any other place. No, part just say Sisiano obitimi and law a man who can say perhaps he can decline to give witness and be a star witness. It's as simple as that. And no. Our opportunity so me decline. Uncle Chan baby yin ni nchire obia. Until declining, uncle yin ni nchire obia wa judge's chamber na china ebebo tu ekuno. 8. Tiger Eye endorses the position of Anas and states that it's proper and wise to err on the side of the caution to avoid any potential attack on another of his investigation. No, but just say as it is now, no, it is very prudent and very reasonable that Anas takes caution and perhaps does not succumb to the demands of Nyantakyi and co. 8. Tiger Eye endorses the position of Anas and states it's proper, wise. 9. Tiger Eye position is further buttressed by the unrelenting coordinated and well-financed media and other campaigns by private and state actors to undermine its operations, and the ANA's principle we stand in their way of amassing corruption and social injustice. And I say, part just say, yeah, the American beginning of the lose case against King Japan. Hey, now you as I see your court to say any they will lose. I face Nyantakyi case or Babe lose. A simple media for any government. Maya bako. It's an some corruption pursue be huntino. And yet yen kuana, sien destroy no, yen painting the black. Yintiminya kwenvia. It is simple, but no anas no who the 10. Nevertheless, Tiger Eye shall remain unwavering and relentless in its fight against corruption and societal ills. Anas remains in high spirit and is grateful to the good people of Ghana for their support and protection. Ends. Anas say Pache say in fact, he's working for what Madagana. Fatwa so mamiti no mo amofu so Anas no baby edunu die masa yebuna to ho yewie in your boy or see stronger than ever, and he will make sure that he'll come out victorious. This is a very, very, very serious case. Now, if you have any comments, because it's very important, say, in some way, I can say, comments, but obviously, there are people who will be supporting us, and obviously, there are people who won't be supporting us. But regardless, the case, in this particular issue, if you think what is really, really going on is really good and is really going to help, this is a very, very serious case, but at the end of the day, we'll follow it and give you more update. Thank you so much for watching.